If you are looking for credit repair, but you're scared of getting scammed, I'm going to go ahead and warn you about one company. They go by Pinnacle Credit Repair and Pinnacle Credit Management. Now I'm about to read to y'all 15 reviews, and I'm going to put them up on the screen as well so you don't fall for the scam like these consumers did. The first one says, I don't usually write reviews, but I had to share this one. Emilio and his husband Andre Nguyen tricked me into using their LGBTQ plus company to fix my credit. I forgot all about Andre's husband. He didn't. I love supporting queer-owned businesses, but they stole $3,025 that I stupidly sent to them through Zelle. A real red flag, and now have blocked me and won't return my calls and texts. I will attach all my screenshots and the contract they had me sign so no one else falls victim. So that is the first review. These are from Yelp, and I've got some from Google as well. The next two are together. Don't work with them. They are unethical and unfaithful. They are using bad marketing tactics to catch innocent people. Stay away. Don't hire this racist company to go to work for you. I just got called the N-word while explaining my credit needs to one of the reps. Totally disrespectful and disturbing. They charge $1,000. Damn ripoff. Ladies and gentlemen, you have been warned. Andre is very arrogant, condescending, and unprofessional. He looks down on you and belittles you because you have bad credit. He is very unresponsive. He is also a one-man army. If you expect typical customer service, don't look for it with Andre. I'm considering posting text messages he said to me so no one else has to deal with his elitist attitude because he is repairing your credit. He thinks he is better than you. Again, I'm just doing this to warn y'all. Oh, and supposedly he's going to sue me for defamation. Well, are you going to sue all these people you scammed too? Because they'll be in court with us. He talked a really good game at first. After I Venmo'd him $1,500, he started talking down to me for being Hispanic and then not responding at all. The reason I initially reached out was to get help so I could buy a truck I needed for work. He made many promises and also promised a 100% money back guarantee. As of now, no communication, no refund. I've disputed the charge with my bank, but Venmo doesn't offer buyer protection. You have been warned. Don't make the same mistake as me and many others have. I give him 2 stars because his credit sweep did help me get the new truck lease, but right after all the negative items removed, they came back and I found out that's highly illegal practice. Told y'all he does credit sweeps. And all this stuff, you can go to Yelp and find it, and you can go to Google. We're still on Yelp right now. Stay away. It's a scam. This company and the owner, Andre, are scams. I paid them $2,000 to repair my credit, and they never removed anything. The company keeps changing its name in order to scam more people. They will not refund my money back. They take payments through Zelle, so they won't get charged back. Stay away. All right, now we're going to go to the Google reviews. These can be kind of long. Before working with Pinnacle Credit Repair, I had a credit profile that includes a discharge bankruptcy and student loans that were still reporting inaccurately. I understood how important accurate reporting is, so I was looking for a solution that could move things forward efficiently. While Pinnacle did identify some issues and provide a structured prompt process, the overall experience didn't quite match my expectations in terms of results and pace. The onboarding felt formal and documentation heavy, but at times it seemed like more focus was placed on getting paid and processed than actual progress. Communication was clear, but often very technical and not always easy to translate into real-world outcomes. I was hoping for more proactive updates and faster movement, especially given that my file was already pretty good with on-time payments. Although there were efforts made, including escalations, the results felt slower than anticipated and not as impactful as I hoped at this stage. After working with Pinnacle and paying my contract in full, I still have the bankruptcy and student loans are still waiting to drop off on their own by default of discharge. Pinnacle may be a fit for individuals who prefer a very methodical and compliance-focused approach, but if you're expecting traction or more hands-on guidance throughout the process, you may want to explore more options. Judging by all the positive reviews I have over the years, this is Andre responding, by the way, the majority of people that have worked with me, let's ask ourselves what type of person would write such a review. It's merely a character assassination attempt. I'm not sure where this whole better than you accusations are coming from, because that's how you talk to everybody. Part of the process is addressing the negative aspect of your file. And y'all can read it. It's up on the screen. Sometimes when I read how this guy talks to people, it's disgusting. PayPal literally has a policy that states it is illegal to use them to pay for credit repair. I have reported this business to the FTC, BBB, PayPal, and Attorney General of New York because this business is hurting a lot of people with no signs of stopping. This company is a scam. They requested that I pay through Venmo and PayPal using friends and family because they know they will not deliver on their promise to you work on your credit case, and you cannot get your money back if you pay that way because there is no money back guarantee or chargeback. They do not promise results, but if you do go to YouTube channel, they promise excellence. While this company has no integrity and no ethics, they actually damage your credit even more by poor, shoddy, and messy work that they attempt. If you decide to cancel your service and request a refund, they do not honor their contract nor their return policy, states on their website, and it does. Stay away because this person also tried to shame me on social media by posting snippets of our text message conversation out of context to paint me as a crazy religious freak while leaving out all the crazy things, unprofessional things they said. Stay away if you value yourself and your financial future and credit worthiness. Do your research on this company and read all of the reviews and watch the videos online, including TikTok, that show this person's true character before you contract with them. You cannot trust someone who would lie to you and keep their word and break their own contracts. And you can see the screenshots. All right, so we're halfway through. And some of this stuff I may not actually read, especially his responses, because I just can't stand how he talks to consumers. It's sick, and he just belittles everybody. These people are coming to him because they're desperate, and he treats them like shit because all he wants is their money. Scam alert. As a self-employed business owner, I trusted this company to repair my personal credit score. After working with Andre, I'm convinced this company is a fraudulent business. They should be indicted on criminal charges at this point based on the reviews, real ones, not the fake ones created by this company, because he does that. This company and its owner, Andre, should be sued, and we should file a class action lawsuit against him and his company. People like Andre and companies like Pinnacle Credit Management make it hard for customer and clients to trust small business owners and entrepreneurs like myself. Trustpilot should take add scam alert to the profile and warn all potential customers. And then again, I'll let y'all read. It's hard for me to read his responses. Same with this one. I'll let y'all. So if you want to just read that read his responses while I'm reading you, the consumer that got scammed response, that would be great. I rarely write reviews, so why this time? I called this company on Wednesday, February 16, 2019. I only had a few late payments on my car. I spoke to Andre, and initially he was nice, and then asked for $750 for the service, and it's all up front through Cash App or Zelle. Then he sent me an agreement to my email that I signed online. Next day he started calling me. At this point I said I would need a few more days to arrange the money, but he started screaming. I asked him, can I pay half now and the rest in 2 weeks? He agreed, but because of some family issues, I decided to wait till Monday. Then he called back on Saturday and started screaming. That's when I decided not to work with him and told him so. I hung up on him. Then he called back several times and left a voicemail that if I don't pay or cancel the agreement 24 hours, he will send it to collections and all 3 credit bureaus. It's illegal for a company that's not a company to send you to collections, by the way. That's when I called him back and said he would do it and hung up on me. I sent him a text he can do if he thinks I am stupid. The next place he will see himself in court. Beware of this guy or the company. They will take your money and would even bother to talk again. I can't even imagine if someone can show such face before getting the money. What would he do after he gets the money? I would never deal with them. I believe most of these reviews actually left by him or his cohorts. Listen, the 5-star reviews are 100% Andre. And it's funny it's just funny. I'm gonna let y'all read his response because again, I can't do it. Same with this one. Y'all want to read his response while I read this? That's fine. And this one I didn't do the whole review, just the part I forgot to click more, honestly. Andre is very arrogant, condescending, and unprofessional. He looks down on you and belittles you because you have negative marks on your credit. He is very unresponsive. He is also a one-man army. Actually, I think I've already done this one. Let's see. Yeah, I've already done this one, so we're gonna skip this one. All right, didn't deliver the results promised and was super rude and unprofessional over the phone. There is no Andy as a customer in our records. We have never done business with you. You have left this review for the wrong business, perhaps. He loves to say that when people point that out, that he's never done business with them. And here's another one. Trust me, this company is terrible. And he goes on his little rant about how he never done any business with them. This one goes over here. Let's see. Yes. All right. Worst service I ever received. Would not recommend their help to anybody. And then again, y'all can read his response if you want to. I'm almost done, y'all. I got 2 more. Overall, poor experience. And then, of course, he's going to go and claim that he takes all the calls, so he never talked to her. And yeah, one-man army, remember? And the last one, not sure. Oh, he just left a review, I guess. Oh, 1 star from an anonymous profile sounds credible. It's crazy, but